Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is learning to love myself. You worry about making sure you're a perfectionist. You worry about getting the job done. You always get the job done. You always evolve. But then who's there to fill up your cup? Who shows you appreciation? Just because that you made a breakthrough in someone's life does not mean that they're going to show gratitude. So make sure that you show yourself gratitude. Be your biggest cheerleader no matter what, no matter where you are, what you do, no matter who you help. You thank yourself first. And if they thank you or give you a compliment, that's just icing on the cake. I choose to see the beauty within me. Wealth lies in my nature and in my gift. I transform my weaknesses into strength, becoming an all-powerful being. And I realize that I am a being of light and allow myself to shine, baby, shine. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.